Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable the step-free mode in the TfL Go application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, and then you are at the main page. So now just click on the button at the top of the page on the right, where the man is sitting in a wheelchair. And by clicking on it, you enabled the step-free mode, and you can always just turn this off. But once the button is blue and you can see these areas on the map, it means that this function is enabled. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.